everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a flip through of the kits that I plan on using for July. Now I'm actually a little bit behind on this video, so I have already picked the kits that I plan on using, and this is like my sticker kit lineup for July. Hopefully next month for August I will have this out more towards the beginning of the month, as it makes most sense that way. So in this little binder here I have laid out all of the inserts for the entire year. That way I can just go through, put whatever sticker kits in it I want to use, and it just makes it so much easier for me when I have everything planned out far in advance rather than trying to scramble and cut and pick and make a sticker design kit for a specific week. So it always seems to go better the further out I have it planned. So this is the little binder that I like to keep this in. Now I have just recently decluttered a lot of stickers out of here, so there are several empty spots in the front. But one thing that I have done that I think makes this so much easier for me is to add these little labels here in my binder, and I do actually sell these in my Etsy shop in case you guys would like them as well. And my thought process behind the way I did the dates on these was because I didn't want to have the actual dates of the week on there, because that would only be good for 1 year, and then every year I would end up having to redo all these stickers. So I actually did them, I did a monthly sticker for each month, a notes sticker for each month, and then I did July week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, depending on whatever it is. That way I can do these stickers once and not have to do them again. So that is pretty much how I do the organization side of it. And then I have these little pockets here that I pre-plan all the kits. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the ones that I have lined up for the month of July. And like I said, I will be trying to catch up a bit, so there's probably going to be several planner sticker videos coming up soon. And one thing I want to mention, all of these kits are designed by me, and I do sell them in my Etsy planner sticker shop. So if there are any of these kits that you guys are interested in, then you can definitely check them out. I will have them linked below. So this first one I have is a kit called Painterly, and this is pretty much like a kit for any time. And my idea behind this one was like kind of like a crafting type of kit or painting, whatever it may be. And I actually opened a in-person little soap shop, so I have my own little booth, and the whole first week of July was me setting up that. So I felt like this was a really perfect kit because it was doing a lot of painting for my display for my soap shelf. So this one is called Painterly. These are the full boxes. Then these are the check boxes. This is the date covers, icons, flags, and glitter flags and day numbers. This is the today and little headers, little things, appointment label, habit trackers. And then this one is the flags, the deco, the glitter headers, and the weekend banner. And then the last one here, this is the bottom washi, some quarter boxes, and a movie marquee. So this is pretty much the format of all of my kits, with some having just slight variations to them. And another question I might get is, hey, that is also the week of 4th of July. Why didn't you do a 4th of July kit? And I just kind of didn't feel like doing a 4th of July kit this year, because every year it tends to be, with the very few exceptions, it tends to be the very first spread in my Erin Condren planner, and I was just tired of the 4th of July kit. I kind of reformatted it last year and I liked it more, but I just didn't want to do the same kit over and over, so I thought that this would be a really nice one to do in place of that. So that is the first weekly kit that I had planned. And moving on to July week 2, this one is another really fun one. Now this one I kind of feel like goes more like hotel, beachy resort kind of vibes. So this one is called Palm Springs, and like I said, this one's kind of like hotel resort vibes. And even though I'm not going on vacation or anything, I still wanted to use this one because I really like the colors in it, and I don't do a lot of green colors in my planner sticker, so I liked that this one had pink and green in it. And obviously I thought it would just be a nice one to do because it is more summery themed. So once again, we have the full boxes here, we have the check boxes, the day covers, icons, today and little headers, and the little things. We have the deco page here with the glitter headers and flags, and once again we have the washi and the quarter boxes. Alright, and so that is planned for July week 2. Now the next one I have is one I really love this kit, and this one is, I bet it's very obvious at what the inspiration of this one is. So this is actually the past week design that I chose, and it was actually the week of my boyfriend and I's 5-year anniversary. So even though I could have done like a million other different kits, I just really wanted to do this one because I did get some crumble cookies to celebrate, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this is probably one of my like top 10 favorite kits that I've ever designed, and I love this one so much. And this one also has 4 different hair and skin tone options. So if you are blonde, there's an option for you. If you're like a redhead or brunette or deeper skin tones, I've got those as well. So once again, these are all the full boxes, the check boxes, and these are the date covers, today littles, deco and glitter, and bottom washi and quarter boxes again. So I just feel like this one had to be the perfect kit for that because it was like a really fun celebration week for me and my boyfriend as well. All right, and moving on to week 4, this one is a new kit. I actually just finished designing this one just the other day. I know, you guys, sometimes I am not the best at like super far ahead designing kits, and I kind of like wait to get inspired before I design them. So this one is of course an Olympic Games themed one. This one's called Going for Gold. I really like how this one turned out. I did kind of like whip it together really quickly, and you know, it's definitely one that I can see myself obviously tweaking and redesigning every 4 years whenever the Summer Olympics goes on. Maybe I'll do a Winter Olympics kit too, so we will definitely see, but this was one I was really proud of, and this one came together really quickly. So once again, we have the full boxes, the check boxes, and I did something a little different that you might start noticing in a lot of my newer kits, is that instead of just having like one icon on the check boxes, I try to do like array of check boxes that kind of all work together. So that's definitely something that you might start noticing in a lot of my newer kits. Then once again, we have the day covers and the icons, today and little headers, flags and deco, and washi and quarter boxes again. All right, and finally for the last week that I have planned, this one was a really big one last year, and even though I feel like it's not the theme of this summer, I just love this kit so much I had to use it again, which is of course my Barbie Dream House themed kit. I really love this one so much. Last year really was like Barbie summer, and it was such a magical summer. I miss it already. And so even though this isn't really a Barbie summer, I just couldn't pass up using this one again. This one makes me so happy, and it's just another one of those kits that you just gotta use it in summer. Obviously you can use it whenever, but summertime is just the perfect time in my opinion. So this one is called the Dream House. So we have the full boxes, the check boxes, date covers and icons, today's and little headers, flags and deco, and washi and quarter boxes. All right guys, so those are the 5 kits that I am going to be using for my July spread. Now like I said, 3 of these are going to be like back planning, and then I'll have 2 that are going to be like current planning. So I definitely need to get on doing those spreads, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a little like lineup kit flip through type of style, and I would like to do these every month for the lineup as well as the kits themselves. So like I said, if you're interested in purchasing any of these kits, I do have them all available on my Etsy shop, so I will have those all linked below. And I do ship pretty quickly, so if there are any kits that you really want, definitely check out my Etsy shop. So those are all of my kits planned for July, and I will definitely have my sticker plan with me's coming up very soon. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.